Good morning, children. So, after weekend, after doing the chapter in MCB, we are going to start with the chapter of grammar. And it's a very simple one because it's only tenses, what you already know. It's written revision here. In the book also, it's written revision. I have understood that you know it. So, I'm not going to tell you lots. I'll tell you little just to recap the things, just to make you remember what you already know. Okay, so what do we do here is revising three tenses. As we already know that there are mainly three tenses: the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. Everybody knows this. Now, under these three tenses, these three are further divided into four kinds: the simple tense, the continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Everybody knows simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. When we do one by one, you will understand. Don't get confused. It's the simplest topic. Tenses, I don't know why people are worried about tenses, but it is very simple. Here we will discuss only three: simple present tense, present continuous tense, and simple past tense. We'll do only three: simple present, present continuous, and simple past tense. One by one, I'll tell you. Please listen attentively and you will never forget. Okay? So, what do we do now? Simple present, present continuous, and simple past tense. Fine. Now, present tense is the time which is right now there. Simple tense is the time which is right now there. When we talk of simple present tense, we try to talk about the habits of the person. The person is habitual of doing something that happens regularly, or something which is true. We have an example for all three. Something which is our habit. She always speaks cheerfully. Speaks. Simple present tense. The first form of verb we are using here is speak. How does she talk? She speaks cheerfully. What is happening regularly? We go to school by bus. Simple present means we are using the first form of verb. So speak is first form, go is first form. We go to school by bus. Like regularly we go to school by bus. The sun rises in the east. This is something which is always true. Sun will never rise from the west. So this is something we say always true. Rises is the first form of verb. So what did we do? She always speaks cheerfully. We go to school by bus and the sun rises in the east. Now, next is present continuous tense. Something we are talking about at the time of talking even. Like the action is happening when we are talking. Like right now. Right now. सबसे अच्छा example I have picked up here. What is happening right now? I am speaking. What is happening right now? You are listening. What is happening right now? We are studying. So I am speaking, you are listening, and we are studying. Okay. So this is what we mean by present continuous. Abhi ho raha hai na? That's why we say present continuous. Now remember, what do we have to remember while using present continuous tense is we should always use present continuous with the helping verb is, are, am. Only three words we need to remember: is, are, am. And we use any one of it in one sentence. And we have to add ing to the verb. This is how we make simple present को present continuous कैसे करते हैं? We add is or are or am and ing to the verb. Like she is playing, they are singing, I am writing. हो गया ना? She is playing, they are singing, I am writing. Now, what happened? I did ing. We did ing to the verb and is, are, am. Now the simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions which are over. Which are over. I played for 2 hours. I've already played for 2 hours. Reena walked to market with her mother. And here we use the second form of verb. Here we use the second form of verb. Played, walked, enjoyed. They enjoyed a lot with their grandparents. I played for 2 hours. I've already played for 2 hours. Reena walked to market with her mother. When she went to market, she had walked. They enjoyed it. Now they are not enjoying. Somewhere in the past, they enjoyed a lot with their grandparents. This is what we call simple past tense. This is what we call simple past tense. Now what you have to do is, from your book, keep reading the 3 forms of verbs, children. You need to read a lot, children. There is no shortcut to understanding and to getting successful. You need to do the hard work. Practice a lot by speaking in English always and reading. Just read a lot of English stories, anything written in English, read that and speak in English. Don't think your mama doesn't know or your dad doesn't know. Everybody knows. Please try doing it. Try. And when we are in the class, please don't talk to me in Hindi. That's not the right way, children. I need to answer you, but I don't like speaking in Hindi, and I must talk to you in English only, and you should also. Okay, children? So that's it for today. I've sent you worksheet in the assignment section. You're going to listen to this video again and again and do that worksheet in very neat handwriting in your grammar book. Okay? Bye bye.